Hey everybody, my name is Cody. I'm one of the co-founders over here at Workflow Secrets. Oftentimes I'm in front of these videos sharing with you guys about AI and its application into real estate as well as our software, the Systems Accelerator Manager. But I actually wanted to take a moment and share a little bit about this journey that we've been on. And I wanted to personally invite you to our Workflow Secrets Demo Day 2025. It's going to be the culmination of all of the experiences that we have. But this all kind of starts when I graduated with a master's degree in marketing and started working at a real estate technology company. This was a CRM company that started off working in the customer support. And I got this really cool opportunity to listen to real estate agents, oftentimes on the worst day of their lives when their software failed them, right? And through listening to them, I would then get the opportunity to actually help make their software work for them and kind of get everything moving back in the right directions. And as I was working in this role, I got to learn so deeply the frustrations and the needs of real estate agents for their software. And then after that role, I moved into a sales role, working outbound sales for this company. And then I was actually boots on the ground. I was outreaching to probably real estate agents just like you. I'm sure you probably fielded one of my calls, reaching out, seeking how we could find use for our software in your business. And while I was doing that, I started to learn from a different lens the frustrations, the needs, the goals of real estate agents. And often to my boss's chagrin, I was very good at weaning out who wouldn't be a good fit and who would be a good fit. And he oftentimes told me that, Cody, that's not your job to wean them out. It's our job to get them into a sales room. And probably why I didn't do super well in sales, but I was always like, man, we've got to save our people some time by making sure that anyone we put into a sales room is actually going to be a really good fit for this software, something that I just really fundamentally believe in. And as someone who kind of understood the frustration and the struggle, I really wanted to make sure and protect you guys from having bad software. And then at the end of my time working for that company, I was working in a marketing role. And I got the opportunity to take all the things that I had learned, the frustrations, the pitfalls, the bad days, the good days, the potential customers, and what you guys are looking for. And I got to wrap that all up into some really cool opportunities to share with you how our software could actually help your business be successful. Well, at that point, I actually started moving into my own business, Workflow Secrets, and that's kind of where this came from. And this was co-founded by my father, Mark Stepp, and I, because we wanted to start sharing with real estate agents some training materials on how you guys can build a better real estate business using software. And so this is where we started off, but right around that time, AI became publicly available with OpenAI's ChatGPT. And we started learning and building and growing. And we realized we have to share this with you guys because AI, not only is it not going anywhere, but it is helping thousands of real estate agents be incredibly successful with what they are doing. And so we started coaching and teaching on this in some of our open forums as well as some of our private groups. And we realized that the biggest frustration that agents had is they would get super excited at these events. They would learn about AI, but then they would go off into their own worlds and they would just completely forget, oh man, what do I need? This is where the SAM platform kind of emerged. I realized that I could build a piece of software that would take the concepts of AI and creating content and being able to actually personalize it to you, your writing style, how you like to speak to your people. And you can create content incredibly fast doing this, but make it palatable and make it usable in a way that you as a real estate agent don't have to spend 6 months learning how to actually use these AI systems, right? Well, this past year, 2024, I actually sat down and realized it was time to just fundamentally rebuild the SAM platform. And this is kind of where the SAM 2.0 platform kind of emerged. And I took from my back pocket all my experience in CRMs, and I realized that this is actually what we needed. We needed a modern CRM. Now, legacy CRMs have a couple of major issues. Not only are oftentimes our sales teams overpromising and the software kind of underdelivers, but currently we have a really big problem where the word AI is being thrown around as a marketing term, and it's not actually giving you the power that it should be. And so this is something that I ultimately realized that we needed to fix. So there are a couple of key concepts that we built out inside of the SAM 2.0 platform, but one of the biggest ones that I like to share is that in a traditional CRM, they store lots of data for you, whether it's contact details, property or transactional, or listing details, or maybe it's even just information you learn about a person, whether it's their goals or their hobbies or what they're looking for in the properties that they might be interested in. I guarantee you've learned a lot of really cool details about them, and you didn't even really know what to do with it, so you just put it in your system. Well, these systems don't really do anything with it. And then the other thing that these systems have is these automations, right? A lot of people call them workflows, but these sequences of tasks. Well, these traditional systems, sometimes these automations are hundreds of steps long, and you still have to manually trigger them to get started. So I personally believe that that's not actually a manual, or that's actually not an automatic process. It's a manually triggered process that just goes down the list. So what we did inside the SAM 2.0 platform is we worked to solve these using AI in a way that envelops or uses modern technology to actually accomplish some really cool things. So this is where my ask or my invite to you is going to come in. The Workflow Secrets Demo Day 2025 is taking the culmination of all of this knowledge that I've accrued over the last 5 years. And I've been studying under Mark, who I was finally able the summer of 2024 to bring back into the Workflow Secrets team. And I said, Mark, you have spent the last 35 years in real estate. You have helped thousands of real estate agents grow these really crazy successful businesses, 100+ transaction businesses that allow agents to spend 2 weeks of personal paid time off each year, businesses that let agents leave the office at 3 p.m. and not feel bad about it so they can go spend time with their family. Just all these success stories. And I want you to kind of write a personal love letter as a computer programmer, developer to these real estate agents. And I would love for you to build just the perfect tool for them. And that is where the SAM 2.0 platform has emerged. And so what you're getting in the SAM 2.0 platform is a platform designed by lifelong real estate technologists who are, just in love with the idea of helping you as a real estate agent become more successful and being able to build that business that's ultimately going to give you your own version of success, whatever that means. Oftentimes we say spending more time with friends, family, or just growing your business, whatever season of life you're in. And that is what we're going to be doing with the Workflow Secrets Demo Day 2025. Now, every good technology company has a demo day, right? And I'm not saying that we are Apple or any of those crazy big companies just yet, but we have something really cool that I want to share with you guys. And so go to this URL just down below, and you are going to get to join Workflow Secrets Demo Day 2025. During Demo Day, you can go through all of these videos. I've spent the last 2 months building out some really cool content that is going to allow you to see exactly how the SAM 2.0 platform could help your real estate business by focusing on some of the major key infrastructure pieces that we've added. But then at the very bottom, you can sign up to attend a live session with us. Now, this is going to be a roughly 90-minute session, and in January, we're holding 2 times for you to choose from. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because I want to make sure that you have the opportunity to actually attend it live with us. There's a lot of really cool things that happen when you have a live audience. Not only energy from me, but just my ability to share with you guys. We're going to be showing you some real life application of the SAM 2.0 platform, but then we're also going to be opening up the floor for some Q&A. And at the end of it, I'm going to give you guys a really special offer so that you can actually use the SAM 2.0 platform. You can start working to build a successful real estate business that is using all of the modern technology, using AI. It's actually going to take information that you would traditionally put in those CRMs, and it's going to use it to personalize content for the people you're reaching out to. It's going to actually use automations how they're meant to be used automatically, right? And so as we start to use software that is built more intelligently or more purposefully, and we start to implement that into our business, what happens is what's called the compound effect. And essentially, you're going to save 3 minutes here, you're going to save 3 minutes over there, you're going to save 3 minutes over here. And then all of a sudden, you have 30 hours back in your month. All of a sudden, you have an entire 2-week period in your year that you've saved. And this is where you can either reinvest in your friends, your family, or growing your business, or you do something else with it. And this is where the magic happens, because this is what I would like to think most of us come to real estate to find. This is exactly what we're hoping to give you. So I would love for you to attend the live event with us. But if the live event is something that you're not really interested in, go to this URL and just check out what modern real estate technology is doing and how you could actually use AI in your real estate business to do something really incredible. I'm so excited for you to take a look at it. This for me has been a really incredible journey. And my only ask to you is that you would help me in my business grow, because I'm trying really hard to help the real estate industry and real estate agents just like you grow and build success. And I need your help. So share this with some of your real estate agent friends, involved, get excited, and sign up to attend this live. Come meet me, come meet Mark. And I'm really excited, but go ahead and follow this link down below. Check out all these videos, get signed up for the live portion, and we will see you very soon.